Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Thank you. Open your eyes and put your hands down. School, be ready for our national anthem. Thank you. Put your hands down. Morning. School, stanzas. Tension. Rock. Side. Zop. Clap your hands. Tally. Down. Stanzas. Tension. Now, as a regular part of speech of today, I would like to call Strengths of Wisdom on the stage. Please give her a big round of applause.
Honorable Principal, Vice Principal, respected teachers, and all of my dear friends. A warm greetings to you all. My name is Shraddha Bista and I'm from grade 4. Today, I'm here to deliver a short speech about importance of teacher in our life. Before highlighting the importance of teacher in our life, we must know who a teacher is. In my point of view, a teacher is a very resourceful person who imparts the knowledge and skills to students. A teacher is a role model, a director, a facilitator, and a life coach for students. A teacher is a good motivator and a great source of inspiration. A teacher is a candle which burns continuously to remove the darkness of ignorance and illiteracy. It is a teacher who enables us to differentiate between right and wrong, just and unjust, evil and good. Whenever a student feels down, a teacher always encourages and motivates him or her. Thus, a teacher can win the heart of every student to bring the best out of them. Therefore, a teacher is very significant in our life. A teacher is a guide, a ray of hope, even in the darkness of despair. It's impossible to describe the value and importance of teachers within 5 minutes. Teachers are amazing, they are incredible. Finally, I would like to conclude my speech by reciting the beautiful lines of Sanskrita by respecting all the teachers of the world. Gurura Brahma, Gurura Vishnu, Gurura Deva Maheswara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurue Namah. Thank you all for your patience. I wish you all a blessed day.
Thank you, Strengths of Wisdom, for your wonderful performance. Give her a